rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to lesson 3. Welcome to lesson 3, my family and friends. My family and friends. There are all kinds of families. I love my family. Okay, so in the family we have grandparents. Grandparents. Grandparents are the parents of your mom and dad. Okay, grandparents are the parents of your mom and dad. The mom of your mom is called grandma. The mom of your mom is called grandma, or the mom of your dad is called grandma. You can also call her granny, granny, grandmother, grandmother, gran, nanny, nanny, nana, nana, nun, nun. You can call her all these, but the most common ones are grandma, grandmother, granny, and gran. These are the most common ones, okay? Very good. Parents, parents, parents are your mom and dad. Your mom and dad are your parents, okay? Mom, mom, mom. Mom is the woman who gave birth to you. You can also call her mommy, mother, mama, ma. Dad is the man who gave birth to you, your father. Dad, you can also call him pa, daddy, father, papa, pop. Okay, dad, father, papa, pop, daddy, and pa. Clear? Very good. Okay. The next vocabularies we're going to see is sister. Sister is the baby girl your mom gave birth to, okay? The baby girl your mom gave birth to is called sister. The baby girl your mom gave birth to, okay? The baby girl your mom gave birth to is your sister. Sister, sister. Your sister is the child of your mom. The baby boy your mom gave birth to, okay? Your mom or your dad gave birth to. Your mom or dad gave birth to is called brother, okay? Brother. Brother is the baby boy your mom gave birth to. Your brother is the baby of your mom and dad, right? Siblings. Siblings are brothers and sisters. For example, I have 3 brothers and 3 sisters. I also have 6 siblings, okay? 3 brothers plus 3 sisters, 6 siblings. Siblings are brothers and sisters. Cousins. Cousins. Cousins are the children of your uncle or your aunt. The children of your uncle or aunt are called cousins. Very good. All right. Answer this question and send the answer to your teacher. Okay. Who is the oldest person in your family? This question is for you. Who is the oldest person in your family? Is it grandpa, grandma, dad, mom, sister, uncle, brother, etc.? All right. This is grandpa. Grandpa. Grandpa is the father of your mom or dad, or grandpa. Okay, you can also say granddad. You can call him granddad, grandfather, grandpa, gramps. Grandpa, gramps, grandpa, grandfather, granddad. Okay? Relatives. Relatives are people that are related to you. Relatives are people that are related to you. They can be like your uncle, the children of your uncle, your auntie, the children of their auntie, the other people they relate to, okay? Relatives. All right. Aunt. Aunt is the sister of your mom or the sister of your dad, okay? The sister of your mom or dad is called aunt. You can also call her auntie. Auntie. Asha is my auntie. Auntie. Uncle is the brother of your mom or the brother of your sister. The brother of your mom or the brother of your sister is called uncle. 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 Okay. Son is the baby boy you gave birth to. The baby boy you gave birth to is son. Son. The baby girl you give birth to is your daughter. Daughter, daughter is the baby girl you give birth to. This is nephew. What's nephew? Nephew is the son your brother or your sister gave birth to. Okay, the son your brother or sister gave birth to is your nephew. Okay, nephew is the son or the baby boy my sister or my brother gave birth to. Niece is the baby girl, the daughter of my sister or the daughter of my brother. Okay, twins. Twins. Twins are babies. You can say baby brothers or baby sisters. Two babies that are born at the same time. Okay, two babies. Two babies that are born at the same time, okay? Two babies that are born at the same time. There might be 2, 3, 4, 5 minute difference, but the babies that are born at the same time are called if there are two, twins if there are three, triplets if there are four, quadruplets. So twins are babies that are born at the same time. Friends. Friends are the people you meet in school, outside of your house, in your neighborhood. Friends are the family, the other family you have, your mom and dad did not give birth to. Okay, sometimes your cousins and relatives can be your friends too, but a friend is someone you count on, someone you share problems and whatever happens to you with is called a friend. So I love my friends. Pets are the animals we keep in our house. Animals we don't eat. Animals we raise as our children are called pets. Rabbit, cat, and dog. Thank you very much, guys. This is the end of our lesson 3. Make sure you watch lesson 4.